Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? In this video, I am going to show you how to delete unwanted rows and columns from a table in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, open your PowerPoint presentation. Then go to the PowerPoint slide. Then drag on your mouse and select the column. Then go to the layout option. Then click delete or delete columns. Drag on your mouse and select rows, then go to the layout option, then click delete and delete rows. Now you can see delete unwanted rows and columns from a table very easily. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.